Data source name creation. There are two types of DSN, user DSN and system DSN. User DSN is created for a specific user in the system. Only this user can see it and use it. This DSN details are stored at Windows registry location hkey underscore current underscore user. System DSN. This DSN is accessible to all the users of the system. This DSN details are stored at Windows registry location hkey underscore local underscore machine. Let's open the Windows registry and check the details. Now I'll search registry here. Open this registry editor. Now here you can see two sections, hkey underscore current underscore user and hkey underscore local underscore machine. First I'll open this hkey underscore current underscore user. Here go to software, then go to ODBC INI here. Here you can see ODBC data sources. Currently it is having 3 data source names defined here. So it shows the user DSN. Now I'll open the user DSN, the ODBC data sources. We'll go to user DSN. You can see all these 3 DSNs are showing here as well. Now let's open the use system DSN. The path is hkey local machine, then software, ODBC INI. Click here ODBC data sources. Currently there are no data source names are defined here. If you open this and check the system DSN here, you can see here none of the system DSNs are defined. And this ODBC inst.ini shows all the drivers defined here. Now we will create a system DSN. For that we will use IBM DB2 as the database. I'll open DB2 Data Studio. Now I'll create a new database here. Click here, new database. The host name is localhost. It is hosted in this system. User db2 admin. Password db2 admin. Instance, refresh this. Now we got the instance db2, port 50,000. Finish. Now enter the database name. I'll name it as db2 db. Location I'll choose C drive. Alias name I'll give the same name as alias. You can see the command created here. Create database db2 db automatic storage on C, db path on C alias db2 db. Now I'll run this command. Now the command is succeeded. Let's check the database created or not. You can see here db2 db got created here. I'll connect this database. Check the properties, driver properties. These are the details: database name, host, port, username and the password. This is the connection URL. Test connection succeeded. Okay. Now we will create a system DSN. For that I'll use ODBC data sources. I can search here ODBC data sources 64-bit. I can go to system DSN and create. There are other ways also to open this ODBC data source administrator. I'll click OK. Now I'll open the control panel, administrative tools. Then you can select ODBC data sources. The other way is you can go to this path, see Windows, then System 32, go to ODBC file, ODBC ad32.exe, open this. This will open the same thing. Now we will create a system DSN. Add IBM DB2 ODBC driver, DB2 copy 1. I'll choose this driver, finish. Now we'll give the data source name. I'll name it as DB2 DSN. Select the database now. Here it shows these two databases, DB2 DB. This database alias you have to select whatever we created showing here, DB2 DB. The DB2 alias is same as DB2 name. Here if you open this name is same, DB2 alias, DB2. Now click OK, click configure, and see the details here, DB2 DB added, and we have to connect to this database using this DSN, DB2 DSN should connect to this DB2 DB. For that you have to use the password is DB2 admin. So I'll use DB2 admin in small, DB2 admin, DB2 admin. I'll connect. Now connection tested successfully. Bind. Now we tested successfully, created this DSN and tested the connection to this DB. Once you created this DSN, the record will be created in the DB2 CLI. I'll open that path, go to program data, IBM DB2 copy 1 CFG, DB2 CLI.in. Open this. You can see the details here, DB2 DSN, and this is the DB2 alias name, DB2 DB. User ID is DB2 admin. Password is not saved because when you open this configure, we have not given save password. If I give save password, it will save it in this file. For security reasons, we will not save this password. For testing purpose, we can save it. DB2 admin, save password. Now you can see here the password will be saved as the clear text in db2 cli.ini. Okay. Now this file will be reloaded now. Yes, you can see the password also in this file. Also we'll check the registry now. It is a system DSN. It should update the H key local machine section. I'll open the registry. H key local machine software ODBC INI. You can see this database got created. You can see here DB2 DSN. Now we will create a user DSN that will update here. I'll open the ODBC data sources again. This time user DSN. I'll add, choose this driver, same driver, finish. Now data source name I'll give as DB2 DSN user. database alias, I'll choose the same thing, db2 db. Okay. Now go to this and configure advanced settings. This is referred to this db. Now enter the username and password, db2 admin, db2 admin. Now save password. It's updated in this db2 cli.ini file. Let's open and check this file. Connect. Now I'll open this file db2 cli. That location is different now because we are using user DSN. It's particular to user. Earlier we want system DSN, that is used by all the user. The path is this path. Now I'll go to C drive, then users, particular user I have to go. I logged in with this user. Now you can see the db2 cli.ini. Open this file. You can see the details here. db2 DSN user details updated here. Now if we go and check bind, okay. Now you can see all the details are updated here with password. Also we'll check the registry now. We'll go to HKey, current user and software. Go to ODBC INI. You can see this DSN name created here. Same thing it's showing here, db2 DSN user. In this lecture, we have seen how to create user DSN and system DSN.